When my mom looks at me, I smile back. I want her to know that I believe in what we're doing. But deep down, I worry.
I'm sorry, Pete.
She spent all their money to get me here. I want to say, look around. You'll never see anything so beautiful again. But I figure it's the kind of thing I should keep to myself.
What are you doing, Mom?
I'm pissed off. We came 10,000 miles. We saw black ones, yellow ones, green ones, white ones, purple, red, burnt umber, for God's sake. Oh, look, a bloody brown one. Brown, I think you're ugly. You call yourself a great
Brown?
spirit. Would it be too much to ask for one blue one? That's just push me away.
I'll be a stink bug.
Female? What is
Bet
it?
it is. Get the
Female
net?
morpho, Mom.
Where there's a female, there's a blue male. Some more for Petey. Boy, get that net ready.
I'm ready.
Come on, you son of a daughter of a... Lead me to the blue gut. I knew I could smell it. We're gaining on it. Okay, what did I say now? Okay? Now.
I got it.
Damn, I couldn't get enough speed. I knew it was here. I could smell it, I could.